Cold start video for the SL500.
Temperature gauge right there. Sitting at about 40, but it's probably really 30 in the miles.